The 2025 Citroën C3 Aircross brings a fresh new vibe to the compact SUV world with a focus on comfort, practicality, and style. This car combines French creativity with modern efficiency, making it a standout choice in its class. From its bold exterior to its cleverly designed interior, the C3 Aircross delivers an impressive experience for both city driving and long journeys. The exterior of the 2025 Citroën C3 Aircross is a bold statement of modern design and strength. Under the hood, it comes with a reliable powerhorse, a 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine that produces around 130 horsepower, offering a smooth yet energetic drive. The front design is striking, with the signature Citroën double chevron logo seamlessly integrated into the grille. The LED headlights are sleek and give off a premium vibe, while the daytime running lights create a sharp visual identity that stands out on the road. The bumper has a muscular design, featuring stylish air intakes and a protective skid plate that enhances its SUV character. The 17-inch alloy wheels add to its rugged appeal and improve handling, while the high ground clearance gives it a confident stance. On the sides, the sculpted body lines and floating roof design showcase Citroën's creative flair. The side glass design enhances visibility and adds to the car's airy feeling. The door handles are body-colored and blend perfectly into the design, maintaining a smooth finish. At the back, the LED taillights feature a 3D rectangular pattern, giving a futuristic look. The rear bumper also adds toughness with matte black cladding and silver touches. The tailgate is wide, allowing easy access to the boot, and the spoiler above the rear window completes the sporty appeal. Inside, the 2025 Citroën C3 Aircross feels both inviting and spacious. The dashboard follows Citroën's comfort philosophy, featuring soft-touch materials and a simple yet futuristic design. At the center, a large 10.25-inch LCD touchscreen provides access to the infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The screen is crisp, responsive, and perfectly positioned for easy use. The side doors are designed with fabric inserts and large bottle holders, showing Citroën's attention to comfort and practicality. The gear selector is sleek and modern, located on the center console with a smooth metallic finish. The start button adds a touch of convenience and modernity, placed perfectly near the steering wheel for easy access. The steering itself is compact, multifunctional, and wrapped in premium leather, offering perfect grip and easy control. The front seats are wide, soft, and ergonomically designed, providing excellent support even on long trips. The rear seats are just as impressive, offering ample legroom and headroom for passengers. There's even a small foldable table between the rear seats, ideal for snacks, tablets, or small items during long drives. The interior layout creates a relaxing and spacious atmosphere, perfect for families. The cargo space is generous, with up to 460 liters of storage, and can be expanded by folding the rear seats flat, providing enough room for luggage, shopping bags, or outdoor gear. The C3 Aircross truly combines comfort, practicality, and innovation in its interior design, making every ride pleasant and easy. The price of the 2025 Citroën C3 Aircross is expected to start around $22,000 to $25,000, depending on the trim level and market region. With this pricing, Citroën aims to offer premium comfort and features at an affordable value, making it a strong competitor in the compact SUV segment. It delivers great technology, stylish looks, and family-friendly space without breaking the bank, a perfect blend for urban and suburban lifestyles. The 2025 Citroën C3 Aircross is a modern, comfortable, and versatile SUV designed for people who value creativity and practicality in one package. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews on Turboxel.